Hey guys, welcome back to the next video in our build series. We missed a couple things in the last video. We wanted to first of all introduce ourselves. My name is Sean.
My name is Kurt.
And this is we officially named this Not So Simplicity. So we wanted to give you a little bit of a brief introduction to ourselves, and we're excited to keep moving on the build.
Okay, so we made these little mounts out of 3/16 steel. We drilled holes in them so the bolt can go through on the control arm. So these are going to be welded to the frame of the tractor for the upper control arm. And then we're going to build a lower subframe down here for the lower control arms to mount to. And we'll use the same kind of tabs down below. We'll get it all tacked up, make sure it works properly, and then fully weld it.
Okay guys, so we've been working on figuring out all the structure for the subframe. We have those tabs welded onto the actual frame of the tractor, and then we built the subframe to go in here and attached all our tabs across here. Everything is tack welded currently, but we're working on solving some of the angle issues, but we think so far that it's turning out pretty cool, and we're excited. It looks pretty cool. So we were working on solving some of the problems with the alignment. As you can see, we had to step this in a little bit because this plane is not level or straight with this plane. So we had to add an offset back in for that. And then also with the suspension, it seems that everything's gonna function nice. But we're working out some of the problems currently. guys, this is where we're gonna end the video at today. So what we accomplished was we built the subframe to hook all the front suspension components to, got all of our tabs tack welded in, and now we have everything basically ready to set up for the next following part.
Yeah, so pretty much to finish up the front end, we will be building a mount for the shocks up front, and then we'll have the steering system to kind of work out. And keep an eye for our next video, and thanks for watching Cracked Housing Fab. Okay, so we made these little tabs, these little mounts, that we're gonna, oh crap.
Just start over right now. So we'll just cut that first part out.
Ow. Woo.